So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a mid monthly reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of Feb 2026. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what we have as the overall energy for you guys for this month. We have Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, bottom of the deck is the Five of Cups. Okay, there is some kind of overthinking involved regarding a situation that is very important for you for the long term, and everything is shifting, everything is changing, and the change is actually making you feel very uncomfortable and a little bit of sad also. Okay, there is sadness regarding a situation that's changing and you don't want it to change at any cost because this is very important for you. And then plus you are adding overthinking over it, like if everything is going to change, how am I going to survive, how will I be able to manage things, how will I be able to move forward in my life. There are lots of questions and ifs and buts in a situation that's changing for good, and change is the only constant, but you guys are not able to accept the change here. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Sagis. The Moon card, yeah, there was some kind of secretive or mysterious kind of energy, hidden truths were there, something was hidden from you, or you were sensing that something was off in a situation. Everything was not crystal clear the way it should be regarding a particular situation. Let's see in the current energies what we have. Strength card, okay, it's taking you a lot of strength and courage to not to do something about a particular situation that you are very attached to. Okay, there is some kind of stagnation here, stagnancy. Okay, by the end of this month what we have, the World card, there is going to be a completion of a cycle, like something is going to be finished here, a chapter is going to be completely finally over. So these are three major arcana cards, Sagittarius. So this is something very meaningful for you. Something is shifting on a bigger and deeper level for you guys. Let's clarify the moon in the recent past for you guys, honey. We have the Page of Swords and the King of Cups and the Death card. Okay, you were okay, there was some kind of a distance between you and a particular person or situation that you were emotionally involved with, and you were not able to understand what was actually going on that situation. Okay, what was hidden, what was not said, what was not revealed to you, and that created some kind of ending or transformation in that situation on a bigger level. Everything shifted, everything changed in a situation that you were emotionally invested in, because things were not clear, things were not crystal clear, things were not revealed to you, or you got to know something about that situation, and the universe kind of forced you to leave it behind or to transform that situation into something totally different from what it used to be. Okay, let's clarify the Strength card in the current energies for you guys. We have the Five of Wands, the Hermit, and the Five of Swords. Yeah, there is something nasty going on in your energies right now, Sagittarius, and it's making you think a lot. It's making you think like, why the hell, like how the hell you are in this rut, how the hell you entered in this conflicting kind of energies, and now what you should do about it so that you are going to gain the peace back in your life. So there is something happening in a situation. On the surface level, everything is stagnant, nothing is happening, nothing is moving. On an energetical level, this is the most stressful thing that you are dealing with. There's chaos, there's conflict, there's overthinking, there's a lot of stressful energies around the situation, and this is always there 24 into 7 at the back of the mind, at the back of your mind, and it is bothering you. You might have, like, you might got to know something about a situation, and then you ended that situation, right? And now you're stressed out because you're trying to understand how the hell you were in the situation, and how the hell you are going to get the peace now, how the hell you are going to get out of this now. This is quite stressful. By the end of this month, we have the world card. Let's clarify the world here. We have the strength card and the magician and the king of wands. Yes, your strength is being tested, your patience, your strength is being tested. Now you are tested by the whole universe, like what you are going to do in a situation. Now when everything is crystal clear in front of you, now how you are going to manage it. Now what you are going to do, are you going to repeat the same kind of cycle again and again and again, the way you used to before this event, or are you going to change something for good this time? Now are you going to break the chain and manifest this energy of having a brand new beginning in your life, where you are the creator of your own reality, where you are the in charge of your life, or you are going to manifest this energy of being stuck on this particular person or situation and ruin your own life. There is a choice here. There is option A, to keep yourself stuck in the situation, okay, to keep on repeating the same kind of cycles that you have repeated this till this time of your life. Or option B, manifest your reality, create your own reality and start living for yourself, and learn your lessons and never repeat the same kind of mistakes again. Option A, option B, which one you are going to choose? You guys have a free will, and most of you are actually stuck on option A for the time being, but you have this free will to choose option B. But will you be able to do that? That's the question here. That's the question mark. That's the test for you guys for this month. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Sagittarius, for this month. We have the Page of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Start from the start. Start taking baby steps towards your happiness. You can't be happy by being over alcoholic, by having lots of sex, by having a lot of materialistic things around you. You can't be actually happy, and you can't be actually at peace. Start from the start. Take baby steps towards your happiness. Take baby steps towards creating your own reality. Make sure that the reality that you are trying to create here is the one that's actually meaningful and good for you, that is going to lead to self love, self care, self healing, and a lot of growth. Make sure you are going to leave everything and everyone behind that's not aligning with your path, that's not aligning with your values anymore. The perfect example for this is, let's say you are having cancer and it's spreading with each passing day, okay, but if you are going to have the surgery and get the cancer removed, it's definitely going to hurt you for some time, but eventually you are going to be at peace, eventually you are going to get healed. This cancer is something that is there for a very long period of time, and you know it, right? The time has come for you to remove the cancer and start fresh. It's going to take you it's going to be baby steps. Healing is going to happen in steps, right? Same is applicable in your condition. This healing, this start, this brand new chapter of your life, it is going to be there step by step. You can't force it to happen quickly, you can't force it to happen overnight, okay? And what is your reality, what kind of reality you want in your life now, what version? That is the question here, that is the main debate here. What's next? What you want to create next in your life? More chaos, more complexities, more lessons, or a brand new reality? A brand new chapter, a Sagittarius 2.0. What? Okay, let me pull one more card for you guys from the Angel Oracles for this month. Is the final guidance, final choice. We have, there's something better waiting for you. See, do what you know is right for you. Do the right thing here. Choose the right thing here. Okay, a spiritual quest. This might look like a mess. Okay, some kind of mess happening in the human world, but this is actually a spiritual lesson happening for you guys. It's a spiritual quest. You have the choice, you have the free will. Use it properly. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.